The views and opinions expressed in this video do not necessarily reflect any company or any organizations. The content and opinions contained in this video are not intended to malign any religion, ethnic group, organization, company, or individual. Enjoy watching! This is Melanie of Days of the Leons, the other half. So now we are going to register Dale for the Mactan-Cebu International Airport registration. So here is the website. Now we're in the website. Let's read the guidelines. So I understand that I should provide correct and true information to the best of my knowledge, and I am fully aware that I can be held criminally liable for any misdeclaration or intentional omission made herein. Alright, so that's it. The Republic Act, and I agree to the protocols mentioned in the undertaking document. I agree that the details provided here is pertinent in receiving my PCR swab test results on time. Okay, so let's check all that. Personal information. So this is the first part. So there is actually 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 stages to complete this form, and make sure upon completing this form, you're doing it not earlier than 5 days prior to your departure date to the Philippines. Okay? In Tagalog, kailangan po maghintay po kayo ng hindi po lalagpas sa 5 araw bago po yung dating nyo sa Pilipinas. Okay? Yun po ang requirement nila kung sa Cebu po kayo bababa o lalapag. Okay, so upon completion of this form, you will receive your travel reference number and barcode that you will need to present upon arrival. Please have your passport, ticket, and hotel confirmation ready when filling up this form. Keep your boarding pass with you at all times. Alright, so let's do that. Okay, so Dale's last name, of course. They don't have a middle name. Okay, no suffix. So first is the day of his birthday. First, the day, make sure, it says day, month, and year. So first is the day. So again, keep the details of your loved ones if you're doing it for them handy, or if you're doing it for yourself. All right. So there you go. Okay. All right, and then don't worry if you're unsure with your age, but it's gonna be funny if you're unsure with your loved one's age. But yes, the system will do it for you. Okay, gender, of course, male. Civil status, married. Religion, if you don't have a religion, you're free to put NA. Well, we're both Christians, but I'll just put NA in here. Permanent address, house address, I'll put my sister's house address, which is the same with me. Okay. Current address is actually here. Okay, our address here in Johor. And then for his contact number, I'll put the Malaysian number. for his code, let's use Dale's code. Oh, Dale's email. Okay. Be very careful. Make sure that the email that you're gonna put in here is active and correct spelling when you fill out this form, because this email in this email this email is where they will send the unique barcode, which is very essential upon your arrival in Mactan-Cebu International Airport. Sorry about that. And I'll put the alternate email, my email, just in case. Okay, so double checking. Okay, occupation, employed, company website. Wow, they need a company website. So I'll Google that. Passport number. Airlines, Singapore Airlines, flight number, it's already provided, and then nationality. Nationality is Australian. Country of departure is Malaysia. Seat number. So in our ticket, we still don't have our seat numbers yet. So we'll just put M, because next to the ticket, with the category of the ticket, it says M. So I'll put that. Date of departure, we'll leave here on the 13th. And we'll arrive there on the 14th. Passenger category, foreign national. All right. Foreign national. Hotel name, we're staying at Dusitani, Mactan, Lapu-Lapu City. This is the hotel address. It's very near, it's quite near the airport. And then don't forget the hotel reference number. Okay. Okay, saan? Okay, I can't find it here, so let's just, okay. Nearest relative. Have you traveled by flight in the last 14 days? No. Have you been sick in the past 30 days? No. Fine. Okay, address outside the Philippines. Oh. Okay. All right, so in this section, since Dale is working overseas, even he's foreigner or spouse of a Filipina, so I still needed to fill out the informations about his employer. Okay, so exposure history. Now we're on 6th. History of exposure to known COVID-19 case before the onset sign of symptoms? No. Have you ever been in a place with a known transmission 14 days before the onset of the sign and symptoms? I am sure no. Okay, so All right, so there you go. Thank you for submitting your details. An email with your travel reference number and unique barcode will be sent to your registered email ID, which is the email that you provided, within 10 minutes. And do keep the barcode handy on arrival at Mactan-Cebu International Airport. Have a safe journey, and we look forward to your arrival at Mactan-Cebu International Airport. Okay, so that's it. Done. So let's close that. So please let us know if you have any comments. If you find this video tutorial helpful, please give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button so you'll be updated with all of our latest travel updates. Okay, thank you very much. And again, this is Melanie of the other half of Days of the Leons, and saying that better days are coming. Have a good day, everyone. Bye. This is Mel.
This is Kyle.
And please don't forget to subscribe
Press the like button.
and leave a comment.
See ya!